how to find posts you like on Facebook. Now let's say you want to find the posts that you have liked on Facebook and you want to unlike them fast. However, you can really locate it individually as it is. All you have to do is to tap on these three lines on the upper corner right here, and then click on the settings icon beside the search icon right here. Now once you're here, all you have to do is to scroll down until you find activity log right here. You just have to click on that. And once you're here, you are given every activity on Facebook that you have done on your account. So if you want to find the post that you have liked on Facebook, all you have to do is to scroll here on the upper part categories right here and click on page likes. And now you are able to see every post that you have liked on your Facebook account. Now in order for you to unlike them, all you have to do is to tap on these three dots right here and click on unlike. And now you have unliked them without needing to search for their names or search for the post that they have posted. So that's how to find posts you like on Facebook. Hope you help.